Good morning, Zebra Skimmers Tech Support. This is Kristen. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Kristen. I'm Eugene. I've been looking into the Z17 Muscle Coalescer for our shop. I'm trying to understand how I can be sure it'll effectively separate tramp oil from our coolant. Can you help?
Absolutely, Eugene. The effectiveness of the C17 Muscle Coalescer in separating tramp oil is proven through its design, particularly with a hold time of 15 minutes and the use of coalescing media. This setup enables it to separate tramp oil through gravity in 20 minutes or less.
Okay, that sounds good, but how can I know for sure before making a purchase?
Great question. You can perform a simple miniature separation test for each sump to see the amount of tramp oil that will naturally separate. Do you have a clean, clear plastic bottle handy?
Yes, I can get one. What do I do with it?
Fill it with coolant from your sump, making sure to get a cross section from the top to bottom. After capping it off, shake vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds, then let it stand. Time this process for about 20 minutes. The oil that separates to the top will be what the muscle coalescer can remove.
I see. And what if the coolant is older? Or we're using the coalescer on one of our high pressure coolant systems?
As coolant ages, or with high base oil content, tramp oils might take longer to separate. For older sumps, the separation process could extend beyond 20 minutes.
Oh, all right.
Starting from the day of a coolant recharge, however, the muscle coalescer will be most effective. For high pressure systems, which can emulsify tramp oils more deeply, it's best to run the coalescer when the machine pumps are off for optimal results.
Well, that makes sense. So, should I test each sump individually to gauge how well the coalescer will work for us?
Exactly, Eugene. This test will give you a good indication of the coalescer's effectiveness for your specific conditions. And remember, it's recommended to use a coalescer from the start of the coolant's life cycle for the best outcome.
Got it. Thanks for the detailed explanation, Kristen. I feel much more confident about how to proceed now.
You're welcome, Eugene. Don't forget that you can order them directly from our website. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call. We're here to help.
I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thank you, Kristen.
Have a great day, Eugene. Goodbye.